Hello, my name is Percy Sintimi. I'm having a background in biomedical sciences, and I was a part of the Digital Africa Cohort 2 Fellowship. A fun fact about me is that I love data and I love biomedical science, so I'm an intersection of two.
Hi, my name is Abigail. I have a background in biochemistry. I was part of the Digital Africa Cohort 2 Fellowship Program. I am someone who likes watching movies when I'm free.
My motivation to apply for the fellowship program stemmed from the fact that I wanted to bridge the gap between data and then biomedical sciences. I've realized that there's a lot of data-driven decision occurring in the healthcare systems, and I wanted to contribute my own quota to having solutions based on data decisions.
Looking at the high demand of data, I wanted to channel into technology sphere where I can explore various aspects of data analysis to solve real-world problems.
One of the elemental tools I took from this cohort was that I had access to DataCamp, where I can have my personal courses on Python, on SQL, on Excel, and even on other areas. So at my own free time, I'm able to sit and learn and go through what has been taught in class. Another opportunity was to use the enhanced CV platform, where I can create my own motivational letters, I can create my cover letters, I can create my CVs also. Another elemental tool was having a mentorship session with Annette, where I learned a lot from her as a data analyst and as a woman also in the space, looking at the challenges she faced, and me putting myself in that shoes as a woman also in data analytics. It's been pivotal in my journey.
The program offered valuable skills. Specifically, throughout this program, I was able to leverage my skill set in Python, SQL, Excel, and Power BI, and I've been able to instill a sense of discipline throughout this program.
Being a biomedical scientist and having these new data analytics skills, I'm currently embarking on a project in the healthcare system. So here, I gather hospital data from patients and from hospitals, and then look at the previous diagnoses that have gone on and trying to create a centralized database where patient data can be accessible to hospitals nationwide. That is the project I'm currently embarking on, and I know this will serve my community and the country as a whole, because we don't have a centralized system where hospital data is transferable between hospitals or clinics.
Throughout this program, I've been able to identify key strengths that is needed in the community and practice effective time management.
As a biomedical scientist and having data analytics skills, I stand at an intersection between biomedical science and then data. With these new skills, I'll be able to contribute my skills and abilities to data-driven decisions in the healthcare system, contributing wholly to public health and then healthcare advancements.
I am confident that the skills that I've gained throughout this program will help me to analyze and solve real-world problems.